Is the 2026 quantum financial system a total lie to usher in digital slavery? Gurus promise gold-backed freedom, it's the opposite. Stick with me, this is Reset Deception. Hey truth seekers, before we dive into today's expose, hit that like button, it takes 5 seconds and fuels our fight to question everything. Not subscribed? Join the Q Everything crew and tap the bell for raw, unfiltered truths. Stick with us to the end, I promise it's worth your time. Let's decode the con. X is flooded with QFS hype, debt forgiveness, gold-backed currency coming 2025. Reality, no official source, just guru channels. Here's the lie, leaked BS documents describe quantum-secure CBDC, same programmable money as China. Connect the dots, same promoters sold Nesra/Gasara for decades, zero delivery. Think it's hope? Wrong. Whistleblower banker says QFS narrative distracts from real digital control rollout. Skeptical? No bank or government mentions QFS, only anonymous Telegram channels. Why does this matter? False hope keeps you passive while real reset steals wealth. What can you do? Hold physical assets, gold, silver, land. Call out QFS promoters on X. Share this video. Wake the hopium addicts. This is controlled opposition. That's the truth they're hiding, but we're not done yet. If this hit you hard, smash that like, share it with a friend, and subscribe to Q Everything, tap the bell to stay in the fight for truth. Drop a comment, what's the biggest lie you're questioning?